Hey, what's up my brothers and sisters? Here's my first video of August and I'm showing you how to pass bikers. In this case, I'm not really passing them, but I do like to get all the way on my right to give the people on the oncoming traffic more room and so they can get a sign. This guy obviously didn't get it. He has a big truck with a big trailer and putting those people in danger. That Jeep did it right. This next truck didn't do it right. At least the first one is a midsize with more room. The second one is a bigger truck, and you can tell the guy on the green feeling uncomfortable. He looked at his way, especially when I'm giving him plenty of room and it's rush hour. And if you're in the same lane as the bikers, you should slow down and let the other traffic go by before you pass them. And yeah, they have no protection, and the ones that are not giving them the space are the big trucks. Look at this truck; it's super metal, and I don't see how those are the people that I get worried that obviously look like they don't care or they're not paying attention. But yeah, just be more aware of bikers and give them their space, and not just bikers, people walking, dogs, whatever. So that's the video of the day. Peace out.